Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, what is a handcrafted business? Are you really running a handcrafted business? Let's have a talk about it. Let's. A handcrafted business works for you, the business, and your customers as well. Those three factors are right at the heart of what it is that you do. And you can never lose sight of that. Every decision you make, every step that you take forward in your business should all come back and decide, am I crafting this in the right way for me, my business, and my customer? Because ultimately, a handcrafted business makes life better for everyone once those three things are working all together. So why did you start your business? What was the trigger that made you go, yeah, I'm starting a business today? What was that thing? What was the appeal that drew you towards it? Was it that you wanted more freedom? Was it you wanted more flexibility? Was it that actually there were no other options available for you right now and you needed to find a way to bring in a stable income? It doesn't matter what it is that drew you to it, that got you to that place. What matters is that you are staying true to you and your needs. When I started my handcrafted stationery business, I was at the point in my life where I knew I'd be starting a family soon. And that was my ultimate goal and my priority, because I wanted that freedom and flexibility to make sure that I was going to be around for them, that I was working in the time that I had available, not making my life fit into somebody else's schedule by having a 9-to-5 job. I was fortunate that I was in a position that I could take that decision and make that happen for me. And that has stayed at the core of my business for nearly 16 years now, as my son is about to turn 16 this year. This year now. That's quite scary. So that has stayed at the core of my business, having that flexibility, being able to do the school runs, being able to be around in the school holidays, and just even dentist appointments and doctor's appointments. All of that good stuff has always been at the heart of my business, that flexibility and freedom. What's yours? Could be that you're working around a health issue. It could be that you're a carer. It could be that you've got other big things that you need to fit around. That is the heart and the core of your business. That's what drives you forward and keeps you going. Never lose sight of that. The next thing that you have to consider is the business. The whole purpose of a business is that it makes money, that it's profitable, that it contributes to society, and you are making a difference to even to your country, because you're contributing by paying your taxes. So you need to make sure that your business is healthy, that it's making money, that you know your numbers, and that ultimately that's benefiting you personally as well. But there's a bigger force at play here, that you are contributing to society. If you want to donate more to charity, then having a healthy business enables you to do that. So knowing your business, knowing how it makes money, essential and crucial. Making sure that you streamline it, making sure that you bring in freelancers or staff that are going to help it run in a much smoother, much better way. And now for number 3, and this is arguably the most important factor, because without this, you do not have a business, and that's happy customers. You need to make sure that you're making your customers' lives better. How do you do that? How do you serve them? How do you help them? Do you make them feel better? Do you give them a smile? Do you help them show another person how much they are loved and how much they are cared for? Whatever it is that you do more of it and want to do more of it, because you are doing an amazing job when you do that, because that's what you're good at. That's a handcrafted business. You are making a customer's life better, you're making your life better, and you are serving society by having a really healthy, happy business as well. That's a handcrafted business. So go on, craft your business so it works for you, your business, and your customer. What are you waiting for?